Hello friends, welcome back to Easy to Learn Tech. As you can see, there is a leakage in the elbow of this Emerson closed coil unit. As you can see, the elbow is cracked. Due to that, the unit is leaking the gas, and you can see as the bubble is coming out as I spray the liquid here. This is soap and water liquid. And if you are watching my video first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest notification. This is Emerson closed coil unit, and you can see this is the structure, and this is the Emerson closed coil unit. And in this we found today that there was a oil trace which all around the unit. As you can see, this is virtue and this is the virtue, and you can see this area discharge line. There was a leakage. As you can see here, there was a leakage in this area. I think the elbow was cracked because this compressor, when it run, it shake a lot, and due to that there was a crack in the elbow. Now you can see this elbow corner is spraying water, is spraying the bubbles in this area. This is the area where there was a leakage, and due to that the Emerson closed coil unit was not cooling and it was showing the error. And you can see after brazing, and then we put the pressure and then we checked the elbow, there was no leakage. Then we did the startup and the unit was working normal. As you can see, we have put normal 200 psi. Thank you for watching my video.